How to log out WhatsApp from other devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can log out WhatsApp from other devices, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to log out of WhatsApp from other devices, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch your WhatsApp Messenger application, and then let's say that you are just trying to basically maybe trying to log out other devices from your WhatsApp account. It's actually quite simple, because all you have to do is tap on the profile icon located at the top right hand side, and then from here you'll find an option called linked devices, which you can use to select it. And once you select the option called linked devices, here you'll see a list of devices logged into your account. So now you can select a certain device and then just tap the logout option if you want to log out of those devices. This way you can log out WhatsApp from other devices. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.